Printful tutorial for beginners, how to create print on demand and make money. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Printful and how you can start your own print on demand business online to make money. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is you will go to printful.com and you will land on this platform right here. Printful is a print on demand platform that allows you to design your own products, and you will be able to create t-shirts, bags, stickers, wall art, and many products for free and sell them online. We also get our own store on Printful for free and connect our e-commerce platform such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, eBay, Amazon, Gumroad, and more. So let's get into it. In order to sign up on Printful, you just have to click on sign up option given. So you can sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Apple, or you can also use your email address. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly sign up with my Google account. Now we have to select what would you like to do on Printful. So it depends on you. If you want to grow your existing online business, start my first online business, sell merchandise to my followers, use warehousing, create custom orders, become an affiliate, or just playing around. So I'm gonna start my online business and click on finish. After the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will get. This is our main dashboard on Printful. So on Printful, we have this panel where I have my orders, product templates, file library, store, branding, billing, stats, warehouse, and homepage. So this is where you will get after the sign up, and you have to choose a product to create a design on. We can create a merchandise, like if we are an influencer, I can start my own business and sell my products. So it totally depends on you. Let's create a new order, and it will take you to add product library, and here we have to select that what product we want to create. So there are eco-friendly products, premium products, men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth, hat, accessory, and home and living. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the men's clothing section and go to a t-shirt. Today I will be designing a t-shirt and show you how Printful works. So you can see these are the different products that we can create, and you will be able to see the fabric and then the cost price. So it's going to be $11 what Printful will take, and then we can add like more price to it. I can list this product for like $30, $25 and make my profit. These are the sizes available and colors. So now I can just scroll down a little bit to explore more what kind of t-shirt I want to create. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go with this one, which is a men's classic tee, and it's a best seller. The price is $7. The sizes are available and shipping is available from United States, Latvia, Spain, and more. So I'm just gonna select this one. So it will open up the designing editor for you, and here we can design our product. So you can see we have a t-shirt to design for, and what I can do now is I can select where I want the design to be. If I want it to be on a left chest, center chest, large center, back, and inside label, so I'm gonna go with a large center and create a design like in the center of the t-shirt. So now the design will be created right here at the center. We have the design option and product. So we can add a text as well, add a clip art, then I can add a quick design. So you can upload a design from your computer as well, or you can just scroll down to browse different art available on Printful. So that is actually pretty good that we can add different photos and different designs to our t-shirt on Printful. We don't even have to create one. So you can just scroll down to explore more and the different design that you like more. So I think this one looks pretty good. Then we have this one. It's a text. Then we have different clip art available. These are pretty cool designs that we can select. So what I'm going to do is for now, I'm just going to select this one, and it will be added to my t-shirt right here. You can see now I can customize my design. I can zoom in, I can change the color, font, transform, position, arc, and outline. Printful is actually a very professional platform that gives you all of these different features to actually create a very good print on demand, and it's all editable and customizable. So now I can just edit my text. I can add the image that I have added. This one looks actually pretty good to to me, and the color also looks nice, so I'm just gonna select this one. Once you have added the design, you can just go to the product again and it will show you the colors, and I can maybe choose this color as well, and it'll show me how my design looks on this color. It looks very good. Then we have a sky color as well, you can see. Then we have sizes, so we can select any size. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select a medium size for the t-shirt, and this is my design. On Printful, what you can do is you can literally, if you're willing to buy a t-shirt, if you're thinking about your dream t-shirt, you can just sign up to Printful and create a t-shirt for yourself, literally, and you can add any image and you will be able to get it. So once you have selected the size, the color, the different designs that we have, you can explore more, add your different designs too. I'm just going with a simple one. Then you need to click on continue. So this is my product right here. You can see this is the design, the t-shirt, color, size, everything. And this is my price here for the t-shirt. It's going to be $12.95. So I can actually create my dream t-shirt for myself as well and just order it. So we have our, shipping options. So here you will be able to see if there is any shipping fee or something, then you will continue to shipping and you will add your shipping details, and this t-shirt will be shipped to your customer, or maybe if you want to do it for yourself, you can just enter the details right here and you will calculate the shipping fee too. So it's maybe just like $1 or $2 additional to it, and you will be able to buy the t-shirt or send it to a customer. You can also review the order on Printful and you will have your products. So this is how we can actually create professional products on Printful and sell them to make money. What we can do is we can create our own store and import our orders as well if you already have a store on Shopify or any other platform. So you can create your products right here on Printful and then create a store maybe on Instagram, on Facebook, on Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and sell your products online. So this is a very good platform to run a print-on-demand business. You just, create designs and Printful ships the product for you, creates and manufactures the product for you. If you are worried about the quality of the product, well, let me tell you, the quality on Printful is also pretty good, and you will be able to create not just t-shirts, you can also create hats, mugs, wall art, stickers, masks, anything you want to, you can create on Printful. And you can create your own store or connect your store. We have billing. There are easy payment methods available. You will also be able to track your progress and run a successful business online. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use Printful as a complete beginner to create designs and make money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.